guys, I know you can't probably see my face, but I wanted you to hear this rain. It's pouring, and we're trying to drive through this rain, and it is just massive coming down. I mean, it's pouring. My dad's having a really hard time driving through it. It's just, I haven't seen a rainstorm like this in forever. I mean, it's just massively pouring down. Hope I don't get copyrighted for Taylor Swift, but it is just pouring. There was some hail mixed in earlier. I don't know. But it is just coming down. Oh, there's hail. FML. That's hail, guys. It's hailing. Shit. I think we're about to pull over. Definitely about to pull over up here. Hail's coming down. It's definitely hailing. Definitely. We can't pull over. There's no room and it's hailing. It's just, we can't even see. Wow, this is insane. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Wow. It's really coming down, guys. And it's like pouring. Holy cow. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. I think the hail stopped, but it's still pouring. It's really coming down. Wow. Holy cow. Wow. I'm like in shock right now. This is cray. I think we're about to pull over. I don't know what we're doing. It feels like we're about to pull over. I think we are. Are we pulling over? Yeah, we're pulling over, guys. It's so bad. We can't even drive. Anyways, I thought I would document that. I wanted you guys to hear it. I don't know if you can see my face, but sorry if you can't. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good week or whenever you watch this. Alright, bye. Thanks for diving in.